This is the wave counting I said yesterday on H4 time frame. This sell-off triggered after hot NFP number. There is a race in big banks to lower gold target. Not just one, but so many banks they lower their gold target. Latest is Citibank down $300. If you compare with Elliott wave book, then this example double zigzag exact copy paste almost same to same. This is the same wave counting, same pattern. So let's see real example gold H4 chart and book side by side and real market sentiment when gold going down, big banks are panicking. Not just big bank, if you make list, even small retail trader they are panicking. Almost everyone now bearish gold, they all give up like gold never go up. Since I already said this wave counting exclusive to premium member yesterday, now let's see everything step by step in detail. First we will see wave counting, wave structure, then later Elliott wave extensal tool. So same to same like book, wave W, counter trend correction wave X, then again wave Y subdivided into ABC. So main focus is wave Y, same to same like book. Wave Y is subdivided into A, B, C. Wave A is 5 impulsive wave. Wave V is correction. Book is showing zigzag correction, but market gave us triangle chart pattern correction. Then again right now we are trading in final C wave. If you go one step lower from H4 up to 15 minutes or maybe 5 minutes, then wave C, if you do wave counting on lower degree, then again you will find same to same like book, 5 impulsive wave in A, 5 impulsive wave in C. That is your NFP market reaction, NFP panic selling. This is not random, everything was going down at the same time. Nasdaq, which is related to AI stock, so much panic. AI is biggest trend of our time, biggest bubble. So small correction, Nasdaq less than 10%, global panic. Bitcoin going down, high profile person, seller, first he sold Bitcoin, create news headline, create panic, investor give up, after that he buy again. So you can find the pattern, they use NFP as a excuse. Everything was already overbought, need a correction. But panic in Nasdaq stock market is next level, like end of the world. Panic in Bitcoin, same fundamental like gold, currency debasement. They give up. And third, that is your gold. But these are same trade responding to same news, NFP going in same direction down. Either all of them reverse or one of them. But compared to gold, panic is more in Nasdaq and Bitcoin compared to gold. So first our wave W, price came down, then correction wave X. Right now we are in final wave Y. If you do operation and compare book and market side by side, WXY, wave Y convert into ABC, where wave A is 5 impulsive wave, same to same like book. Wave V in ABCDE triangle, book is doing zigzag pattern, but in the market wave B is doing ABCDE triangle correction. So small change compared to book. Again if you go lower degree from H4 up to 5 minutes, then this will be similar pattern. Wave C again will be making 5 impulsive wave on lower degree chart like H1, 15 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. 5 in A, 5 in C, correction in the middle wave V, book doing zigzag pattern, market doing triangle ABC pattern. Here is the problem, during this sideways range from beginning to end based on weekly time frame, final and last drop came after NFP number, after hot NFP number. But you can see this is like global selling, margin selling pressure. There was panic selling in Nasdaq stock market, everything was going down at the same time, but they use NFP as a trigger because stocks were already overbought. They use NFP as a excuse. So much similarity in market example and book double zigzag pattern, almost same. Only major difference is if you see this wave V doing zigzag pattern while gold is doing wave V as triangle pattern correction. So one more time, larger degree wave WXY, we are trading in final wave Y. Sometime it need correction. When it will happen, we don't know, but time will come when entire wave Y from 4800 to 4200, that will do a correction. Lower degree ABC wave, similar condition, final C wave, time will come when it will do a correction. Because currently we are trading in final wave C, pattern unknown, but I think it will be 5 impulsive wave on lower time frame like 5 minutes. So you have impulsive wave waiting to end on 3 level. Larger degree wave Y, then lower degree wave C, and final lower degree 5th impulsive wave, which is your originally wave C, which came after hot NAP number. So what is happening here when 3 level impulsive wave Y, wave C, and 5th impulsive wave, that is mostly your this week Monday market open, this week news headline, crowd selling, crowd overreaction. So first of all, from here price goes up or down. Your main level is 4200. Why 4200? If you see projection, wave W, wave X, now you compare wave Y. Wave Y 100% projection broken. First test failure, second test breakdown, but still price showing some rejection before 38% projection. That is above psychological level 4200. We know wave Y is subdivided into ABC wave. When we see wave A and wave V, then we compare wave C, that is 100% projection, that is below 4200 psychological level 4195. In case new lower low come, price breakdown more, 4200, that is your main level. Because wave Y projection is above 4200, wave C projection is below 4200, so basically 4200 is your most important support level. Manage your risk minimum 4200 in case it goes down more. That is first thing. Since market doing exact same to same like book, wave W counter trend correction X, wave Y subdivided into ABC, only difference is wave V doing zigzag in book, gold doing triangle in the market. When correction begin, if you compare everything side by side, then wave X, that is your 4800 level, wave V, that is your 4500 level, and this low, that is your 4380 area. Everything almost same to same, only difference is book is line chart and market is candlestick chart. When market goes down in impulsive wave 135, when recovery begin, our target by default is always 4th wave high. Recovery start, our target is always by default is wave V high. We focus mostly on wave Y sub wave, that is ABC. When ABC wave pattern top to bottom end, correction recovery start, we target high up to wave V, that is near 4500, this area. So once recovery start, either low already in, market start going up from here, or break down more, make new lower low, then it goes up. But under both condition, downside 4200 psychological level, most important support, upside 4500, that is your target. Price almost there, almost testing right now 4380 area. So I think wave counting is clear, everything copy paste. Either you see market or either if you see book example, only difference is candlestick chart or line chart. Wave V instead of zigzag making ABCD triangle. So that's why you focus 4200 downside, 4500 upside level, that is your risk level. 3 impulsive wave on 3 different level ending at the same time. Because of that we have 3 different level, but we will target minimum 4380, that is upside target for entire week, maximum 4500. After FOMC we will decide what next, but high chance it need a correction and recovery up to 4500. Now as for wave counting, target up and downside everything is clear. So wave structure ABC, visual pattern and projection level, everything clear. One more thing, parallel channel, price again testing lower trend line. Now let's see one step higher. Daily time frame, long sideways range, we are trading in near lower part of the range. Since October last year, gold is sideways. Parallel channel, same one visible on daily on H4 both. So lower trend line testing once again, clear rejection, clear closing yesterday. So Friday NFP panic, Trump panic before Friday closing. Previously he was saying he favor rate hike to stop inflation. After NFP is saying no need to hike. So Trump clearly pivot from supporting hike to no hike. And Monday you can see market reaction, just green color, small sell off, but mostly no major selling pressure in Monday. So recovery once start, upper trend line retest possible, entire wave structure clear on H4 time frame, 3 different level. So one by one big banks, they lower their goal target now, but I gave you warning before Friday closing. Now we have closing, weekly is now highest oversold since October 2023. Macro is exact same to same, and chart pattern also same. If you remember that time ABC wave counting, triangle in the middle, price break down, final C wave, then it reverse. Similar wave counting happening right now on H4, impulsive A, triangle V, then impulsive C. So let's see one more time H4 time frame. It is Elliott wave, but let's add some price action. RSI is showing divergence, price constantly making lower low, but RSI is sideways or slightly in up direction, testing a trend line. Plus this rejection area, H4 based on candlestick pattern 4200, that is your rejection zone. Previously we saw strong rejection in this area, we are seeing strong rejection once again in this area. And just explain you 4200, wave Y projection above 4200, wave C projection below 4200, and previously when price crashed during Powell time, this is the area below 4200, we saw strong super rejection. Before price dip again below 4200 in this area, one by one so many banks lower their target, we can say almost everyone panicking on gold. So before this area test again, before price, so 4K on screen start falling below 4200, oversold same to same like last time, but more than last time. 4200 downside, 4500 upside, or lower trend line of this channel or upper trend line of this channel. We have parallel channel chart pattern, we have static horizontal, or you can say psychological level. Tomorrow CPI number, then PPI number, most important economic indicator this week, but NFP, market reaction, and Nasdaq crash more important than CPI PPI this week. Everyone knows CPI and PPI are high because of war. Then later your FOMC week. Let's see what new Fed chair Kevin Ward say, but before Kevin Ward, gold is going down.